The EPS Sandy board equipment is a device for the production of EPS Sandy boards. EPS Sandy board is a new type of building material with the advantages of lightweight, heat insulation, fire and waterproof. The working principle of EPS Sandy board equipment is to make EPS Sandy board from EPS raw materials through pre-hair, forming, cutting and other processes. EPS Sandy board equipment has the advantages of high automation, high production efficiency and stable product quality, and is the ideal equipment for EPS Sandy board production. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.